He sees them now.
Crabs.
Move, Liz!
Oh my gosh.
Look at them all.
OMG. That's a lot of crabs.
Look at them all.
Holy mackerel! OMG.
Look at them all.
Holy mackerel! That's a lot of crabs.
It is too.
Hey, cat!
Oh my God.
Don't go too close. Oh God.
Listen to him.
Liz.
Would you guys be quiet for a minute? Listen to him, listen.
Oh, that's cool. Thank you. Mommy, look. A crab right there. It's digging a hole. Where? Where? Oh my God, baby crab. Where? Right there. Speeding baby crab. Oh my God. Yeah, not too close. Mommy, there's a crab right there.
I know, they're everywhere.
Yeah, not too close. Oh yeah, I'm not really.
That's so cool.
No, that's not. Oh my gosh, there's even more.
Cass, don't eat that.
Oh my God. There's a lot of crabs. Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Look,
Look at that pretty shell one.
he's playing in the mud, it's alright. Come here, they're all coming back down from the tree. Whoa. No, Cass.
Crabs.
Casser.